Hello boys and girls, so I finally got around to getting the NGK plugs. Now I'm just going to talk about these very quickly and then I'm going to get straight on to the installation. So first of all, you can pick these up pretty cheap on eBay. I got these for around about £5 each. Make sure that you get the ones specifically for your bike because these are specifically for my bike. So they might not actually work with yours. But anyway, let's crack on with the installation.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you what you get in the box. So you get the NGK plug, and also you get these two little water resistant plug things that go on either end of the plug. What you need to do first, you need to unscrew the old plug, and it's fairly easy to do. I'm pretty sure most bikes have this where you just unscrew it rather than pulling it out or anything like that. And what you can do as well, if you feel like it's slightly corroded or anything like that, is just take a little bit off the end of the wire. It helps with a better connection, especially if you've had the bike for a few years. Once you've done that, it's as simple as making sure you got the right end and just screwing that bad boy back into the wire. Make sure that you have the little rubber sleeve that comes with it first. You'll know which one to put on. It's fairly simple, fairly obvious. But it is as simple as just screwing that plug back on. So once you've done that, make sure that you put the little rubber sleeve back over the NGK plug because that'll keep it nice and water resistant. And then make sure you put the other little rubber plug on top of that as well. So when you go to put it into your little hole, it's going to be a bit of a tight fit maybe. I mean, mine was anyway. It is quite a tight little hole. So you might have to thrust it a little bit just to make sure that it's in there properly and it doesn't hang out. But once you've got it in there, it'll be nice and water resistant. And that's pretty much it. Job's a good one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you in some way or another. If you do need any more help or any more information on how to fit these, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!